Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope viewers you are fine and enjoying life well. In today's video, I am going to share the ideas of hairstyles. I hope viewers you like this video, and if you want more ideas like these, then viewer just leave the comment below. So I will upload more ideas video like these for you on my YouTube channel. These ideas are very informative for you, and if you want any other type of ideas, designing ideas and any other information about hairstyle, haircut, then we will just leave the comment below. So I will upload hair ideas, short haircut design for you on my YouTube channel. Mostly viewers cut their hair short because of the time maintenance hair, because they don't have the time to maintain their hair. Short hair refer to any cut with little length. It may vary from above the ear to below the chin. If a man haircut reaches the chin, it may not be considered short. But for a woman, however, short varies from close crop to just above the shoulder. This varies from culture to culture in more traditional society in Eastern Europe, Asia, and the Islamic world. Short hair on women means anything shorter than chest length, with chest length to elbow length being considered medium length. However, among more progressive societies with far less structure than the norm, the classic bob is considered medium length with short hair, referring to pixie cut and similar hairstyle. Different styles of short haircut include bob cut, the crop, and the pixie cut. Short hair is easier to take care for than long hair. For this reason, many women cut their hair short to save time and effort of maintaining it. However, it does take more time to be specifically styled than long hair. Small diameter brushes are generally recommended for maintaining short hair. For men in Europe or European settled area, having short hair is now generally the norm, although long hair is still not uncommon. Despite long hair or wigs having been fashionable at various times in the past, including ancient Sparta, the 18th century, and the 1970s. In East Asia, the style is in a relatively recent development. Culture within the Sinosphere generally preserves the tradition of growing out one hair long without trimming. Although it was typically worn tied up, the Qing dynasty required this to be cut in a queue. But it was not until the advent of European colonial empire and the Republic of China that what is normally thought as short hair became popular for men. Historically, short hair has been tradition for women in different cultures across the world. Women in many Amazonian tribes wear their hair short, Maasai women wear their hair cropped or shaved, and long hair is the masculine norm. In Siam, modern-day Thailand, women customarily wore their hair cropped. Short hair became fashionable for Western women in the 1920s. Style include bob cut, a blunt cut to the chin or neck and cut evenly all around. The shingle bob, a haircut that was tapered short in the back and short crop, cut short in the back and longer hair in the front. Before the 1920s, short-haired women was not entirely uncommon, but was often associated with the Coney Island. Tosker in the 1910s, Iron Castle was the first to bring short hair on women in the mainstream. Women wore long hairstyle in the 1930s and 1940s, save for the early 1930s as a continuation from 1920. But the bob became unfashionable by 1932. Short hair made a comeback when Audrey Hepburn sported a pixie cut, a very short whipsy haircut, in the 1950 film Roman Holiday. Short hair was fairly popular throughout the 60s, but the 70s and 80s favored different hairstyle. It became popular in the 1990s and remains so to this day. During the 1990s, among teenagers, girls and boys apply for a similar haircut. There have been other styles such as the torn crop, a more extreme take on the short crop and short layer. And there are many other ideas, for example, bob cut. I am also going to share the detail of bob cuts with you. A bob cut, also known as bob, is a short or medium length haircut for women, in which the hair is typically cut straight around the head at approximately jaw level and no longer than shoulder length, often with a fringe at the front. The standard bob cuts exposes the back of the neck and keep all of the hair well above the shoulder. There are different types of bob cut: A-line bob, inverted bob, shingle bob, chin length bob, and neck length bob. A typical bob cut with slightly longer hair in front that frame the face, typically curling under the chin, is A-line bob. Where it is a shoulder length in the front and close crop at the back is buzz cut bob. Cut straight to the chin with or without bend is chin length bob. Shorter length type of bob is French bob. Similar to A-line bob but with stacked layer in the back. The perimeter of the cut is curved rather than being a straight line. This cut is also commonly called a graduated bob or inverted bob. A shaggy bob is a messy bob layered with a razor. Shingle bob is a cut that is tapered very short in the back, exposing the hairline at the neck. The hair on these sides is formed into a single curl on the point on each cheek. Shoulder length bob is a blunt bob that reaches the shoulder and has very few layers. And there are also many short haircut ideas, not bob cut. There are also lob cut. A lob or long bob is a form of haircut and a variant of bob cut. The length is between long hair and bob cut. The lob is cut just above the shoulder, at shoulder level or just below. In the 1920s, many women were chosen to cut their hair into the bob. Toward the end of the decade and the start of Great Depression, a more womanly look was in style over the flat-chested boyish fashion of the flapper era. Hairstyle echoed these and were worn slightly longer, often in a page boy. During World War II, it was fashionable to grow one's hair long again. But longer bob were still in the fashion, often with Victoria rolls in the wake of Allied victory. During the 1960s, the bob returned, albeit much less sharp and graphic. This look has remained popular into the 21st century and lob come in the vogue as it is essentially a long bob. Wings. A haircut, the wings haircut, also known as mode haircut, mop top, flippies, flow, Justin Bieber haircut or scatter hair, is a popular hairstyle used in skateboarding, surfer, and preppy a community. Typically long, the style can range from long and dropping below the eye to a shorter length. The haircut is typically wavy and if straight, the length becomes to halfway down the ear. Instead of lying on the wearer ear, the